Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting episode lined up as we dive into the fascinating world of the US 2001 dime coin. We'll be uncovering its history, exploring its unique features, and most importantly, finding out what it's worth today. So stick around till the end because you won't want to miss this. Now, let's start by exploring the history behind the 2001 dime. Minted at the Denver Mint, the 2001 dime holds a special place in the hearts of collectors. It was a year filled with significant events, and this coin captures a moment in time. In 2001, the world witnessed historic moments, from the introduction of the euro currency to the release of the first iPod. And right in the midst of all this, the US Mint was busy producing these small but mighty 2001 dimes. Let's take a closer look at the design that makes this coin unique. Displayed on the obverse is the portrait of President Franklin D. Roosevelt, who is a central figure in American history. The reverse features an olive branch, a torch, and an oak branch, symbolizing peace, liberty, and strength. The intricate details on this coin make it a visual delight for collectors. Now, the big question: what is the value of the 2001 dime today? Well, as with any collectible, several factors come into play. The coin's condition, rarity, and demand in the market all contribute to its overall value. Professional grading services, such as the Numismatic Guarantee Corporation, NGC, or the Professional Coin Grading Service, PCGS, use a scale from poor to mint state, MS, to evaluate a coin's condition. The better the condition, the higher the value. When it comes to rarity, keep an eye out for any errors or varieties. Some coins may have unique features or minting mistakes that make them more valuable to collectors. Do your research and inspect your 2001 dime closely. You might just have a hidden treasure. As of 2023, the market value of the 2001 dime can vary $23,000. Checking online auction sites, coin shows, or consulting with reputable coin dealers can give you an idea of its current worth. Remember, the market is dynamic, so prices can fluctuate. And there you have it, folks, the story behind the US 2001 dime coin, its history, and what it's worth today. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, exploring the world of coins is always an exciting journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments if you have any hidden gems in your coin collection. Until next time, happy collecting!